So I put in a support for this one in the back, and it's looking great. It's coming in perfectly on the support. We have new growth coming in on the stem, not that one. Right here, it's starting to break out of the sheath. And hopefully that happens soon on the Burle Marx Flame. The leaves are definitely getting bigger and wider on there, and it's kind of branched out and grown. It's becoming a bigger plant, and along with the Monsteras, that leaf is like twice as big now. It used to be more like this size leaf, and now it's exploded out to that, and this one is looking really big. I think the one in the perlite is doing the worst. I might have to move it out of that. Just like this one leaf is looking not the best up there, and it's growing slower for sure. But we're doing pretty good here. Raphidophora transperma, I can't say the name. It's continuing to grow up the pole I put there. And I'm starting, I still have the rest of this printing right now for this. I started adding support, which will end up being something like that. And thanks for watching.